Today's tutorial I will share with you how to enable TPM 2.0 and upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10. This is completely free upgrade for Windows 10 users. While checking the compatibility of Windows 11, PC Health Check pops up and message that my PC can't run Windows 11. If you go to Windows Settings, Update and Security and click on Windows Insider Program, you will see the same message that your PC can't run Windows 11. I found the solution and it works even if your motherboard doesn't have TPM chip. Restart your PC and go to BIOS. Press Del or F2 to enter BIOS setting. Now you need to go into advanced mode. You can use F7 key on your keyboard or you can use a mouse if your motherboard supports it. Click on Advanced tab there. Click on PC HFW configuration. Enable Intel Platform Trust Technology. Click on OK. Click on Exit in the top right and choose Save Changes and Restart. Now I am going to check again if my PC meets system requirements for Windows 11. As you can see, I am able to upgrade to Windows 11. Click on Start and go to Windows Settings. Click on Update and Security. Windows Insider Program. Click on Get Started. Link your Microsoft account. Pick your insider settings. You can choose any of them. Only difference between them is that if you have a dev channel chosen, you will be the first to test all the earliest features of Windows 11, but it's not stable as beta or release preview. Choose your insider settings and click on Confirm. Click on Confirm again and restart your PC. Click on Start and go to Windows Settings again. Go to Updates and Security. Windows Insider Program. I am going to choose Dev Channel again because it automatically changed to the Preview channel after the restart. Click on Windows Update and then click on Check for updates. As you can see, it started downloading Windows 11 Insider Preview.